Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to log into the Online Efiko using the password sent to your email while using your phone. First, go to any browser of your choice. I am using Google Chrome. Type in www.onlineefiko.com. This page will load as you can see on the screen. To log in, click on the two lines located at the top right-hand corner of the page. It will drop down some menu items. Click on Log In. When the login page loads, go to your email and retrieve your username and password while being mindful of the characters and alphabets. Input the password and username into the fields, ensuring there is no empty space before your password, and then click Enter. It will then take you to a page where you must change your password before proceeding. Remember, we had already copied our password at the beginning. I will just paste it here and then type a new password, which should have a capital letter, small letters, a special character, and some numbers. Then save changes. The password is changed. Click on Continue. It then leads to your profile information. Ensure to fill all areas specified as compulsory. Since my name is already filled, I will scroll down and provide my phone number. I can always complete the other information at another time. Then click Update Profile. You have now successfully registered on the Online Efiko.